It's D. King Bay from Earth's Crumbs Handmade Luxury Soaps. These are plain Janes that I made at least 2 months ago or so. I gave them a bath the other day to make them nice and shiny. Let's see, these here are honey lavender. These smell so good. I just took it to my nose. These smell really good. And not only do they smell good, they're great for your skin. So, you know. These here, can you see them? These are aloe vera gel. I made them instead of using water. For my liquid, I used aloe vera gel. Very, very good for your skin. These are excellent, excellent, excellent for your skin. And actually, all of them are. All the luxury bars, even the plain Jane. Like I say, this is plain Jane. This is the base bar. All these bars are great for your skin. When you go to the website, if you look at the ingredients and all that sort of things, it tells you what the different bars are good for. So, you know, go to the website, check it out. You deserve to treat yourself. You know, it's not even a treat. This is about taking care of your skin. This is something you're going to have the rest of your life. So you might want to take good care of your skin. That's how I feel anyway. I'm very picky about things I put on or in my body. And, you know, we use the soap every day. So, oh, well, as I said, a little decorative bar. When I create decorative bars, I give them away to people who are on my e-news or, you know, people who purchase things. I just have random numbers. I'm not going to tell you which number it is, but every certain number of this number that I use, I give a bar soap away, like a decorative bar. Oh, it's just a bar soap. Isn't that pretty? That's a plain Jane. Can you see the design on it? Yeah. So, yep, that's what I do. So I always make extras so I can give stuff away. Well, I have a lot of inventory to do today and more bars to soap and package up. So I'll talk to you guys later. You have a great day. Again, this is D. King Bay from Earth's Crumbs Handmade Luxury Soaps. Go on by and order your soap today. Bye-bye.